Should we take the axles off? Snap it off. Bit off from there. This here. See that? Yep. Best part about this now. The best part about this now. We could store stuff and then just pull it out. As simple as that. Right, let's get working. So the plan was to sand down the whole bed of the trailer, but as you'll see in a few minutes I got bored. But yeah, let's start sanding. So as you see here, the wood was getting stuck all over me, and I was like, yeah, it's time to get off before I get splinter and stuff.
I dropped my rear plate on the front. Not very smart. Safe.
So here we've got some random beam going across the middle. So right now I'm just removing it so I can move it into a different location. And here I'm just screwing a few screws in temperamentally for cutting wood again. Now removing the screws to finish working on the underside, putting all the wood beams in. Marking all the wood beams ready for cutting. Now actually cutting all of the wooden beams. Now this is where I realised it doesn't fit, so we went back and cut them. As you see, I'm marking it here. And once I've done that, boom, they fit. It's just not an A.J.'s Adventures video if the camera doesn't fall. This was the part when I messed up. I flipped over the trailer to see if everything stayed, and obviously because it wasn't screwed down, it all fell off, so I had to redo the whole thing again, which you won't see because I cut that out of the video. Today is beefy flap day. I did put the beefy flap on to see what it would look like, but I ended up having to cut it a bit because it was too long. I didn't film anything else I did, but I put that metal pole that I was using before, put that back in, a few screws. Here it's not actually attached on here, it's just hooked around there, bent that a bit, so that won't be coming off. The only way it can come off is if the trailer was facing that way and then the go-kart that way. That's the only way it would come off. So that's quite tight. It holds a lot of weight. Actually, that pole, I'm quite surprised it actually holds weight. And that holds weight. Also holds some rear weight as well. Beefy fabric, I'm going to need to shorten that a bit. So you can see it's too low. Obviously it's a bit wide as well, but I plan to widen it to be flush with the wheels. Meaning it'll be too short, but that's fine. I don't mind that. Rear bumper, we put that on. That's it. I didn't film any of putting it on or anything. I filmed the beefy flap, as you saw. Didn't film putting the pole on, because that might not be proper. But I'm thinking we could actually use that pole. Obviously I didn't center it properly. It's not centered. I should have brought it over this way a bit more. Went a bit too far over. Now I'm just gonna film me going around a few times. Pretty heavy. You won't believe how heavy that actually is. It's an EcoFlow generator. Let's see what it's like. You like that beefy flap there, yeah? I'm gonna hit that. I think so. Definitely safe, I'll just wait forward. And we're in. Before I end the video, I'd just like to say happy birthday to my friend Sunny. His birthday was the Thursday just gone. Wish him a happy birthday in the comments.